Santa Peregrina, Pudilan, Bulacan. Her ambition in life is to become a chef and has a proud parents, Mr. Nelson and Miriam Garcia. Her makeup artist is Griselina Faustino, and our candidate number 6 believes in the saying, kung ayaw mong maghirap, ikaw ay magsumikap. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 6, Sabrina Janela and Garcia.